If you're looking for your first property or need some extra space, then this property on Emerald Close in Rochester should be on your viewing list. Located in the sought after ME1 postcode on the Warrenwood estate, it's prime location for school catchment areas and transport links via bus, rail or motorway. The property itself is located across this quiet walkway with green space and comes to the market with no forward chain. Let's go and take a look around inside. The ground floor boasts this ideal family open plan kitchen diner space with also the added bonus of a ground floor WC and utility area, and also the separate lounge to the rear, which is access out to the garden. The low maintenance rear garden also has rear access, which has vehicle access for your parking, not to mention the separate garage at the back. If you're interested in calling this house your home, then please get in touch on the details that follow.